Hello and welcome back guys. Today we are at Prestige City Mulund, a project by Prestige Group offering you forever open view of Yogi Hills, which is a part of Sanjay Gandhi National Park. So yes, the carpet size are tempting and luxurious, and every unit comes with a deck in every layout from your living to your bedrooms. So we'll be talking about this particular launch much more in detail. But before that, have you subscribed our channel first? If not, kindly do so as we come up with all the latest real estate videos every week. ये प्रोजेक्ट की खासियत ये है कि ये पूरे मार्केट का सबसे इकलौता इंटीग्रेटेड टाउनशिप प्रोजेक्ट है सेंट्रल मुंबई का, विच इज़ लोकेटेड इन मुलुंड. सो द एंटायर लैंड पार्सल इज़ ऑफ 32.7 acres, which includes your residential, premium residential, commercial, retail, shopping, streets and temple, hospitals, schools, everything inside the project. Hence इसे integrated township कहा गया है और ये सेंट्रल मुंबई का इकलौता integrated township project है. So the construction partner is L&T and the layout has been designed, the landscaping has been designed by the Singapore-based firm Yogi Hills. So इसकी ये खास बात है, construction quality top notch है. In this particular new launch, basically 32.7 acres का जो ये total Prestige City Mulund का project है, इसमें different categories का development हुआ है. जैसे Siesta and Bellanza already projects है जिसका sale चल रहा था, जो under construction है, जिसमें 2 and 3 BHK के options थे. But finally we are over here in the new launch जहाँ पे #NatureIsCalling जिस नाम से हम promote कर रहे हैं, which has 3 and 4 BHK luxurious grand suites offering you a spacious carpet size of starting from 1035, 1350 and for 4 BHK 1700 and 2100 carpet area. Amenities are all your modern luxurious amenities, swimming pool, different kind of pools, water bodies, leisure garden, landscape garden, then your cycling track, jogging area, jacuzzi, squash court, badminton court, cricket court and multipurpose court. Apart from that, your kids area, toddlers area, your aeroba, zumba, yoga and many more other modern amenities. We are launching couple of towers, so this is a very rare opportunity for you if you're looking for a 3 and 4 BHK exclusive bigger carpet sizes. So right now we are in a 3 BHK apartment, just here to give you a basic understanding and a glimpse. So जो नया लॉन्च आने वाला है उसका सैम्पल फ्लैट हम बहुत ही जल्द आपको दिखाएंगे, आप सेल्स ऑफिस में आकर भी देख सकते हैं. बट एक आइडिया के लिए मैं आपको ये एक टूर कराना चाहती हूँ, बिकॉज दिस इज द एक्चुअल बिल्डिंग एंड एवरीथिंग दैट यू कैन सी लाइव फॉर योर सेल्फ. यहाँ से आप जैसे ही एंटर करोगे यू विल बी हैविंग योर फॉयर एरिया. First thing first, this is your door, which is a fire resistant door, premium quality. It can hold the fire up till 3 hours, and then there's this door sensor screen lock also. So in case if you forget your key, then you can always touch on the door the handle panel, and there's a screen over here, touch screen, wherein you can unlock your door without the keys in case you have forgotten it. So this is something, a best thing of this entrance of this main door. So this is something unique and helpful, right? So on this side, as we enter, we have a foyer space following towards the kitchen. So the moment we enter the kitchen is really spacious and very wide. If you see, there's a 2 parallel platform. काफ़ी अच्छा space है दोनों platform के बीच में. Before entering the kitchen, I would like to show you there's a good space for a double door fridge. अगर आप double door fridge plan कर रहे हो, आपका fridge easily आ जाएगा. Then we have this area for your washing machine and the dryer. It has a proper lock on this side, and then this is how it's gonna be. It's quite very wide. It just goes till the very end of this side. So as we come out of the kitchen space, we are moving towards the grand living space, wherein you can just design it the way we have shown, or you can put your thought process and design the way you feel like. Here comes your grand dining space, very much next to the kitchen area. Here comes your sitting area, your sit out area on the side. You can put a couch the way you want, wall mount the TV, and comes a balcony. The balconies are basically sky terrace is what we call in this particular apartments. They are very huge in size compared to any other projects that you will witness. Moving forward, we will be seeing the first common bath and toilet. It has a premium tile fitting, looks elegant, and the finishing and everything is quite very much up to the mark. Because if it's prestige, it has to be a top-notch quality. It goes without saying. Here comes the first bedroom of the house where we enter. So as I said, this is a sky terrace. So you can see you can keep a swing or however you want to design, you can do that. Here comes your first bedroom. So this is your bed space. Here comes a full-length window offering you the entrance towards your sky deck terrace. Every bedroom comes with a niche area for your floor-to-ceiling height wardrobes. On this side, again there's a good passage area for moving around the house, and we'll be entering towards the second bedroom. So here it comes. As we can see, it's very well spacious. Literally, it's a master bedroom and it speaks volume for itself. I really loved it, the size of the bedroom and the balcony, that is the terrace. So this is how grand it looks like and very well designed neatly. On this side, you can come and see it. So this is the floor to ceiling height wardrobe area, 4-door wardrobe, that you can make it very well in this given niche area. And moving forward towards the grand master bathroom. So this is your attached bathroom, grand toilet bath area, very well designed. One side there's a sink and the commode, and on the other side there's a dedicated shower area, given a partition of the glass. That is how it will be in actual flat. And in the center there's a window for the ventilation. So this is how it's been done up. It's a beautiful master bedroom. Now we'll be moving towards the last and the final bedroom of the house. So this was your master bedroom, grand master bedroom. And here comes your third bedroom. As I said, this video is just for the representation purpose, so the actual layout is gonna be different. We have a carpet area of 1300 plus for 3 BHK, and for 4 BHK it's 1700 and 2100 as well. So the 3 bed in this is not a master bedroom, but in the actual one that you will be getting will come with a master bedroom. So this is how you can just understand for your representation. The third bedroom is, it's good in size and there's a good area for your wardrobe covered by the terrace. So you can come and see on this side there's a proper wardrobe area. But the only difference is there's no attached bathroom, which you will be having. So for that you have to call in the given number for the brochure and layout for the newest launch that we are talking about. Because guys, in the launch time, this is the right time for you to buy a property, because when there's a launch going on, you are given a lot of options and choices of the inventory when you're paying such a huge amount for buying your beautiful house. So it's very important you have your choice of flat, your view, your direction as per your preference. Secondly, you have a huge discount and pricings are given at a very lucrative rates. So it's a best time where you can save a lot of money and you can do interior or any other thing from that money. So third and the most important thing, when you buy a house in the launch period, you have ample period of time for your payment, because it is under construction. There's a time for the delivery, so you have huge time for making the payment. You have ample of time. You can ask certain deviations, or maybe you can pay the amount easily. In case you are going for a home loan, you don't have to start immediately with the higher EMI, and then there are a lot of other benefits. So for all that thing, you have to call on the given number and do not miss the opportunity of buying your dream home in Prestige, where the name itself talk about the prestigiousness of the brand. So do not miss this opportunity. Call on the given number and book your site visit now. Now let's just go and see a raw 3 BHK, how exactly you will be getting your apartment and everything. Firstly, talking about the door, it comes with a video door facility. Apart from that, there's a screen on the handle wherein it's a screen touch. You can just touch over here and unlock your door in case you have forgotten your keys. And as I said, the quality of the door is top notch. The best thing about this apartment is the ceiling height, if you guys have noticed. If not, then kindly do so. It's 11.5 or 12 around approximately, which is the ceiling height you will not get in the market, and that's the reason the houses are looking more bigger than they are in actuality, and it gives an abundance of ventilation in terms of when you are residing in this kind of a flat, right? So this is the foyer space. You can just design it in the best possible way. We'll be entering towards the kitchen area. Kitchen, look for yourself. It literally speaks volume, and there are two parallel platforms. The size of the platform is very good in length, and this is how exactly you'll be getting the tiles, the finishing of the platforms, stainless steel sink, your fittings of cooler, everything, like everything is, as you can see on this side, you get a proper notch of this door to lock it, and then this is how big you will get the entire space for your washing machine and the dryer area. Again, apart from that, here you have a fridge space. You can keep a double door fridge. So moving forward, once we are done with the kitchen, we come back to our grand living space, which is very spacious, and you can look for yourself. On this side, you can keep a grand dining area as per your family member's size. Here you can keep your sit out area, like your cozy corner, your couches, TV setup and everything. You can do it over here. And here comes the lovely balcony, and the sky terrace is what you can exactly call it as. Look how beautiful it is. It's literally beautifully done up. Except the plantation, everything will be same. Flooring, ceiling, everything. And it's literally grand, and exactly this is the size of the balcony that you will be getting in your new launch. Hence, I'm emphasizing on this one. This glass facade and fittings, everything will be same, as you can see. And the entire balcony, if you see, it goes all the way till the very end of the bedroom. So, but in the newer layout, the difference will be that the entire balconies will not be joined. So you will be having different balconies, like it will not be joined to each other. That is something is what is there in the picture. Now, going back to the apartment. This beautiful balcony or the sky terrace that we just saw, for the new launch, you will be having an lifetime open view of Yogi Hills, and it will be facing towards the hill mountain, and it is an abundant view, because it's not going to be blocked ever in the future. So this is the view that you will always have in your apartment, and that is the best unique selling point of this particular project. So moving forward on this side, let me show you the other bedrooms. So we'll be starting with the first common shower area. This is how exactly it will be. The sizes are decent and very well done up with all the branded fittings. This is your first common bedroom. So this is what the size is, and this is how grand your terrace will be. Moving forward towards the second bedroom. Here comes your second bedroom, that is your attached bathroom and toilet master bedroom. The size of the bedroom is huge, and on this side there's a proper walk-in wardrobe area next to your shower area. Towards the last and the final bedroom. On to my left, firstly is your attached bathroom. And this is how your entire final bedroom looks like. So actually this is your second bedroom, and the one which we saw with the walking wardrobe space, that was your third and the master bedroom. This is how you will be getting a balcony over here. This balcony is separate from the other balconies that were floating around the apartment. Let me show you. So this balcony is running all the way only till this particular bedroom. So yes, this was the entire tour of a 3 BHK. But if you want a view that is promising for the lifetime and which is worth buying for your mental health peace and your best air quality and everything, and a view that you will literally fall in love every day, for that we are coming up with this new phase, which is around 9 acres of land parcel, offering you 4 towers, approximately 55 story, with a podium car parking and luxurious spacious apartments of 3 and 4 beds. So do not miss the opportunity to grab the best possible unit for yourself. Call on the given number, talk to the sales representative directly and book your site visit now. Thank you so much for staying till the very end of the video. See you again in the next video on our official YouTube channel, First Girl.